tank. Again, we're using an aluminum manifold. It's O-ring mounted to the tank. In that manifold, we have our oil housing, oil filter housing, a built-in thermal valve, and the thermistor mounting is in that location as well. Again, those items used to be mounted somewhere randomly underneath the chassis. So what we've done now is we've streamlined the design, we're giving uniformity of build to the customer, and we've reduced a lot of miscellaneous plumbing connections that used to be NPT fittings with pipe dope and brass fittings and such. So we're eliminating potential leak points by up to 60%. So that's our advanced separation tank assembly. The next big change is this controller right here. This is our VTEC 2 controller. And it is not our old controller with a couple of enhancements. It's a completely new control box, and it's really the brain of the system. So this has infinite variable precision speed control. This will control the speed of the engine of the vehicle upon demand of air. So our previous design, if an operator called for just a little bit of air, it automatically ramped up to high speed. With this new VTEC 2 controller, when they call for just a little bit of air, it'll ramp up just a little bit. That saves fuel, that's less wear and tear on the truck, and it's less noise in the environment for the operator, so it makes it more friendly for them to use.